are quick, they are easy, and these maple roasted pecans that I'm gonna make for you today are a staple in our house. This recipe is so simple. Everybody who tries this loves this. I think it works best with pecans, but you can use almonds, you can use walnuts. They may need to cook a little longer in the oven. Pecans cook up pretty quickly, they're delicate. But in general with your nuts, you wanna buy your nuts raw and you wanna roast your own nuts at a low enough heat. Maple syrup, maple syrup, maple syrup's your friend. We will drizzle it onto the pecans. These really benefit from a nice lift of sea salt. They are sweet nuts, but as with most baking recipes, that contrast is pretty key. You can use pumpkin pie spice. If you want more dimensional flavor, you can use cinnamon. If you want to be really crazy, you can use a little curry powder. And what really, or garam masala. And then you could add like shredded coconut here at this point if you wanted to, or some pumpkin seeds, like mix in other stuff you've got in the pantry. I wonder if cacao nibs would work. So now we're gonna take our nuts and we're going to toast them, roast them, 325 or even 300. Do not do 350 on nuts. I think that's too high and they're gonna get too hot. You wanna keep those beautiful oils from nuts intact so they don't go rancid. Always set a timer, especially with your nuts, because they cannot be trusted not to burn. This is a solid 12-minute recipe. I think when I write the recipe, it said 10 to 12, but it does well on 10 minutes. Let's check out our pecans. Oh my gosh, now they're ready. So I think they're done when they start to get like not burnt, but like just starting to get real crispy there. And then guys, then you leave them alone and you let them cool. That's actually really key with this recipe. Now that they've cooled, they kind of stick to the parchment and look, they get those like sticky, bottomed, glossy, yeah, deliciousness there.